Hi there, Eddie Izzard here. So, Theatr Colwyn is coming back. Yes, it is, after this COVID strangeness that we've been having, opening the doors again. And so here's a message from the good guys at Theatr Colwyn just to tell you about the safety procedures and things you have to do when coming back to see films at Theatr Colwyn. Okay, enjoy and stay safe.
Hi, I'm Phil, the manager at Theatr Colwyn and Cinema, and as you may have guessed, we've been shut for a little bit of time now, but soon we'll be reopening our cinema doors to you, our public. Things will be slightly different. Our journey will actually start from at home, where you'll be able to call our box office and they'll talk you through all the bullet points of what to expect on your next visit to Theatr Colwyn. As soon as you arrive, we'll have hand sanitising stations outside the theatre. Wash and scrub your hands, make them lovely and clean, because we're all going to touch the door handles or the banisters or pick up drinks from the bar. And again, safety is paramount. We will be doing reserved seating for the cinema, so we can adopt our 2-metre social distancing. We want to keep everybody, you, the public, our customers, patrons and our staff, safe and secure wherever we can. So as I say, you'll book in advance, pick your seats. You can have from 1, 2, 3, up to 11 family members or a group bubble to book in on certain seats. And when you arrive at the theatre, please make sure that you leave lots of time. If you all turn up with 5 minutes to go to the film start time, then you will be in a queue and you'll probably miss the start of the film. So what we intend to do, we'll open the doors 45 minutes before each screening to give you plenty of time to come to the cinema. As I say, if you bought a ticket in advance, you can come straight in. There will be a queuing system towards the bar side where you'll be able to purchase our wonderful stock of sweets and drinks for you to enjoy during the film. Or if you do need the toilets, there will be another side to queue, so you can pop to the loos quite happily and safely with our 2-metre social distancing. Once everybody's inside, you don't have to just sit there. If you do want to pop to the loo or you'd like to replenish that glass of wine, you can come out to the bar because it can be a lot quieter once the film's starting. But again, please just mind the 2-metre distancing. At the end of the film, we want everybody to leave safely and securely. So again, people will start to exit the building and come out through the doors to the front. Adopt the 2-metre social distancing, please. We hope you'll come and see us again soon and enjoy the film. Don't forget, tickets are on sale now.